I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World, appointed by God for the serving all humanity and all living beings in the world. Every day God is invite us for teaching us excellent lessons at His home and teaches us excellent lessons, variety of knowledge. Then God instructs us to convey this message, this knowledge for benefit of entire humanity in this world. So that today, early in the morning, Amrut Vela, at the time of Brahma Murt, God has teaches us excellent lessons. Thus, I am conveying these lessons today. Uh, One positive, noble, and spiritual person and mass of such people can save and build heaven, paradise in this world. And other part, one negative, ignoble, dishonorable, base, materialistic, selfish person and mass of such people can destroy, waste, and turn into hell of this world. So, first we will see the positivity, noble people. Positive and noble people always help all living beings in this world as a servants. One noble person or mass of such people can give all necessary knowledge to entire humanity through internet and social media. The great gift by God in present times. Positive and noble people always believe hard works with knowledge and techniques. They are hard working people and works with knowledge and with techniques. Positive and noble people always think and work for all living beings without any selfish and expectations. Positive and noble people always try to unification of entire humanity and as a global family. Positive and noble people will feel divine love, God's name and God's powers in all hearts of all people of the world. Positive and noble people always spread a message of peace, love, harmony, cooperation, equally balanced development of all people of the world. Positive and noble people always try to convince to war playing countries and war playing people and and prevent wars in this world. Positive and noble people always keep faith and believe that by self development, by self transformation to make world transformation and work for that. Just say, for example, one light of candle can spread all candles light full. Positive and noble people obtain God's powers by doing spiritual practices in their lives. So, by such powers and hard works, they can save this world and build this world as a paradise, as a heaven. At last, successfully, Now we will see the other part. For negative and ignoble people, negative and ignoble people always hinder, discourage all living beings in this world as a enemy. Negative and ignoble people always spread negativities, hatred, misguide people through internet and social media. Negative and ignoble people always believe lazy life and not doing hard work. They always depend on government's helps and other people's helps. So at last they prove themselves as a great burden on the society and on the world. Negative and ignoble people always remains selfish nature, so they make harm to humanity. Negative and ignoble people always try to more divisions among societies and among countries, so they can comes in powers. They do not believe in unification of the world and united global family. Negative and ignoble people always feel hatred and misguide to people, not tell real knowledge of spirituality, so spread all types of negativities and bad habits and bad practices in mankind. Negative and ignoble people teach wrong knowledge of their religious books, so people feel right and upper than others' religious followers. So divisions, fightings, quarrels, wars, world wars can be played in the world. Negative and ignoble people always try to make divisions among people and among countries, so they can rule over them. So they always works on illegal ways. Negative and ignoble people always believe selfishness, shortcut, and through negativities they feel materialistic happy life and spread such habits in many such people in the world. Negative and ignoble people use wars, destructive weapons, war weapons like bombs, missiles, and destroy many lives and many cities and killed many living beings in the world by their bad deeds. Such people build this world as a hell, as a Jannat, as a Jahannam, as a Nar, as a hell at last, and they also become unhappy. I am praying all human beings here. I believe that you are living as a noble life and you have many noble experiences in your lives. So please send your noble experiences on my WhatsApp number and my Facebook ID too. My WhatsApp number is +919898375375, and you also send your noble experiences on my Facebook ID is Swami Vishwanand. I am praying to God, oh God, make your blessings shower on all living beings in the world so that we can come out from the pandemic coronavirus situations and we can live healthy, wealthy and happy lives. by your blessings of showers. God bless to everybody. We will meet next meeting. This message I received, I learned from house of the God, from the creator of the world. Just I am serving, I am servant of creator of the world, and I am a servant of you also, and performing my duty as a mother of the world, so that this message not come from my own mind and on my heart. This message I learned, I received from house of the God, and I deliver this message as a servant of you all. We will see next meeting. I am getting your humble permission to live here. God bless everybody. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.